How to close an LLC in New York. Dissolving an LLC in New York involves a series of important steps to ensure compliance with state regulations. This guide outlines the necessary actions to effectively dissolve your LLC, protecting you from future liabilities and ensuring all obligations are met. Review your operating agreement. Before initiating the dissolution process, it is essential to review your LLC's operating agreement. This document typically outlines the procedures for dissolution, including voting requirements and the distribution of assets and liabilities. Understanding these provisions is crucial as they dictate how members should proceed. If the agreement specifies a particular process or majority needed for dissolution, ensure that you adhere to those guidelines to maintain compliance and avoid disputes. Vote to dissolve. Once you have reviewed the operating agreement, convene a meeting with all LLC members to vote on the decision to dissolve the company. This meeting should be documented thoroughly, noting the date, time, and outcome of the vote. If your operating agreement specifies a required majority for approval, ensure that this is met. Documenting this decision is critical as it provides legal backing for the dissolution and helps prevent any future disagreements among members. File the Articles of Dissolution. To dissolve your LLC in New York, you must prepare and file the Articles of Dissolution with the New York Department of State within 90 days of your decision. This form requires essential details including the LLC's name, the date of its original origination, and the method of its dissolution, such as a majority vote. The filing fee is $60 with an option for expedited processing available for an additional charge. Settle debts and notify creditors. Before finalizing your LLC's dissolution, it is crucial to settle any outstanding debts and obligations. Notify all known creditors about the impending dissolution and provide them with a deadline for submitting any claims against the LLC. This proactive approach helps limit future liability and ensures that all financial responsibilities are addressed before closure. Properly managing debts during this phase protects both the LLC and its members from potential legal issues down the line. Close tax accounts. While New Mexico does not require a tax clearance before dissolving an LLC, it is advisable to settle any outstanding taxes. File final tax returns with both state and federal authorities, clearly marking them as final. This step ensures that you fulfill all tax obligations before closing your business officially. Additionally, keeping clear records of these filings can help protect you from future tax liabilities related to your dissolved LLC. Cancel licenses and permits. As part of the dissolution process, it's important to cancel any business licenses or permits associated with your LLC. This action informs regulatory bodies that your business operations have been ceased. Failing to cancel these licenses may result in ongoing fees or penalties. By taking this step, you ensure that you are no longer subject to compliance requirements associated with those licenses, which helps streamline your transition out of business. Close bank accounts. The final step in dissolving your LLC involves closing all business bank accounts and credit lines associated with the company. This action prevents unauthorized transactions from occurring after dissolution and ensures that no further financial activities can take place under the LLC's name. It's also wise to obtain written confirmation from your bank regarding the account closures for your records. Taking this precaution helps protect you from potential liabilities that could arise post-dissolution. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that your LLC is dissolved in compliance with New Mexico state laws and that all necessary obligations are settled appropriately. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.